All right, if we voted for a crowd favorite, this would be mine.
That's probably what they're
Jan Selen from Amsterdam, Holland. We are all individuals.
These left.
Indeed we are. And there are a lot of individuals here today.
Wait, what are you talking about? See that block over there? It's just hands on the top.
And this is a really good show, so come out and see this. If not today, they'll still be here tomorrow. Right behind the Bilmar. Treasure Island.
Pretty sure one missing.
And again, this is Jan Selen
ran away
from Amsterdam,
the
Holland.
handprints there still.
And here is Jan again, finishing We Are All Individuals.
Using his human rake.
Using his human rake, he says. Jan, you are my favorite so far.
Thank you very much.
And especially the blank seat here with the footprints. One of the individuals has decided to just beat feet and get out of here. So he is drinking at the Bilmar right now, I'm sure.